What are we thinking? I think it's about yup. Well, hiya. Ooh, sis. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Rashawn. Today's video is brought to you by Outre. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. Let me slow down because I'm excited. Ooh, ciao. Now, before we get into this easy breezy install, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, all of y'all give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Let me lay it on the line. I got a little freakiness inside, and you know that a man has gotta deal with it. I don't care what they say, I'm not about to pay nobody's way, cause it's all about the dog in me. I want a freak in the morning, a freak in the evening, just like me. I need a brother that can satisfy me, just for me, if you are that kind of man. I'm that kind of girl. I got a freaky secret everybody sing, cause we don't give a damn about a thing. Cause I will be a freak until the day, until the dawn. And we can all through the night to the early morn. The morning I will take you around the hood on a gangsta league. Cause we can, any time of day, it's all good for me. I wanna keep it up, now there you go. That's just one thing that a man must do. I'm packing all the flavor you need. I got you shook up on your knees, cause it's all about the dog in me. I want a freak in the morning, a freak in the evening, just like me. That can satisfy me, just for me, if you are that kind of man. Cause I'm that kind of girl. I got a freaky secret, everybody sings, you don't give a damn about a thing.
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Outre. It is part of their SleekLay series. This is the brand new unit by the name of Adelaide. I got her in the color, what I get? 3DRFF Amber Blonde. And she does retail around that $45 price point, depending on where you shop. And also the specialty colors that you choose to get for your unit. Those are the colors that she comes in, so if you want to check those out, you definitely can. This unit does come with HD lace from ear to ear, as well as a straight back part. You do get a little bit of space around the hairline and in the parting space. So if you want to go in and pull some hair out of that joint to bust it open a little bit, you can definitely do that. Now this unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees, so if you want to use some heat on your unit like I did, you can definitely do that. Even though the unit is said to lay flat around the parting space, it did. I'm not gonna say it didn't, but I did have a little teeny bit of humpiness around the part, so I did go in and just lay that a little bit flatter, but it took very little effort, so you definitely can do that. As you saw in my put down, like I said, I did go in and clean up my hairline a little bit to kind of open it up for me. I knew I kind of wanted mine pushed back up off my hairline and then kind of fall forward. So let me show you guys the hairline, how it's looking on me now. She is looking pretty good, if I must say so myself. I use my contour around the hairline to blend that in. I use my contour and my powder in the middle to blend down my lace because it was a little ashy, but it is blendable HD lace for a synthetic wig, so you can definitely blend it down. If you want to wear this unit glueless, you definitely can. When it came to my head, this unit was running small, okay? It was running real small. I couldn't get it comfortably over my head without it sliding back or putting too much pressure on my wig grip. So that's why you saw me spray it down, because I wanted to rock this unit for the rest of the day and I didn't want it slipping back or giving me, you know, too much forehead, because I know I got a lot of forehead real estate. Okay, I got the space to cover. So I wanted to make sure sure I had it sitting in a nice position to give me the natural look. And y'all, when I say I am happy with this install, I'm really feeling how this is looking on me. Even on her card, y'all, she looked good. And I'm pretty sure they did not comb out her curls, which I did not want to comb out these curls, but after I started moving the hair around, it was getting a little bit too frizzy, so I knew I had to go on my fingers and kind of get them back together. Now, the texture of the unit does give off, you know, it does give off synthetic. I mean, this is 30 inches of synthetic hair, and it has some curl to it, so it will shed and tangle eventually. I definitely got some shedding and tangling with this unit. However, I'm not really getting any now that I'm pulling on it, but I do have a lot of tangles. Okay, tangles galore on this unit, but nothing I couldn't handle, because what do I know? I know it's synthetic. I know it's going to give me what it's supposed to give me, i.e. the looks. Because some people don't want to spend $200, $300 for a wig like this in this color in this inches, especially if you don't know how to curl nothing. As far as my pockets are concerned, I like to touch every price point, okay? So I'm not mad at how this is sitting on my head. I would definitely rock this for the $45. Listen, you get this unit for, you know, the colors. You want the colors for this unit, so why not? I'm not mad at her, okay? I'm not mad at her. What I am mad at is this little curl right here. See how this one's all perfect? This one won't do that. Somehow it got lost in translation. Come on, Tiny Tina, just a little bit. You got little pumps in the bump. Come on, come on. This is definitely reminding me of Outre Delilah. That's also from the SleekLay series. It kind of resembles that. I'm pretty sure that one was also in 30 inches. And the only slight difference between Delilah and this one is that this one I feel like gives a little bit more texture and body. This one seems a little fuller than Delilah. Delilah gave a more sleek type of look, whereas this one kind of has, like, you know, some body with it. So I definitely like this one more than I like Delilah. It's also giving me Outre Michaela from the Melted Hairline collection. It's like a longer version of that one with less hassle. And I believe Michaela had more of like a silky type of feel. This one is not giving me so much silky as much as it's giving me more like a, you know, a slight yucky. I don't care about the tangles or the shedding because, you know, again, synthetic, long, curly, I know what to expect, okay? I know what to expect, and what I expect is to get the looks, okay? I'm feeling a little bit of tracks over here, but that's only because I use my heat to flatten this out. So it's really flat, okay? So if I didn't use my heat, I wouldn't feel anything. So, you know, be mindful of that. What are we thinking? I think it's about, yup, I'm being serious. This could pass for a human hair dupe if nobody touched it, okay? If you didn't touch it, okay, it's not super soft, but it's not like, you know, real crunchy either. It's gonna move like a synthetic. The curl's gonna get matted. It's gonna shed. It's gonna tangle. And she can be refreshed. You don't believe me? Watch my Outre Michaela video to see how I got my curls back together after they were just all over the place, okay? But it does give the look, doesn't it? Doesn't it? But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Outre for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put some direct links for this unit down below, so you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.